Hi, everyone. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network with your Noyes notes and 24-hour forecast on this Monday. Fresh new air has arrived. You feel the difference right when you step outside. Less humid, much cooler. Temperatures stay below average much of this week, too, running in the 70s. Some 80s return likely by Friday. Not much rain in the forecast either. And of course, we're tracking Hurricane Erin. Waves build, life-threatening rip currents up and down the East Coast, including for us here at home for the middle and end of the week. More on Erin and insights later on. Meanwhile, you can check out our new streaming network, the only one in New England. It's included in each of our 4 membership tiers. We want you to check it out. Give your feedback to us. Membership.onedegreeoutside.com for more details. Thank you for your continued support. Dew points. 40s and 50s. This is what I was talking about, kind of a fallish feel. Across the board, much lower humidity and temperatures 10 to 20 degrees below where we were yesterday. We're going to be hovering right around 70 at the coast today. Low to mid 70s inland, a couple upper 70s in western New England. The northeast wind strongest at the coast, 10 to 20 miles per hour today, gusting 20 to 30 there. 72 to 76 for many of us through the interior of central New England, cooler in the far north country where we'll be hovering in the mid to upper 60s today in far northern Vermont and New Hampshire and northern Maine, right around 70 to 75 when you get from the Maine coastline back down to the Turnpike as well. Again, that wind about 10 to 20 miles per hour, more out of the northeast through the Pine Tree State. Mainly clear skies tonight. Few scattered clouds, high thin ones in the far north country, but overnight lows, look at this, widespread 40s, northern, central, even interior southern New England with 50s for most of the rest of us, and the wind easing through the overnight as well. You can check out the 14-day forecast, of course, the hourly forecast too. It's all in our app, which has 5-star reviews and is free on the App Store and Google Play. More info on how to best use it too if you've already downloaded it at app.onedegreeoutside.com.